Hey guys, I'm back again. Actually, let me ask you one thing first. Did you all practice that Mohanam, Ninnukori, Varnam? If yes, then kindly add this point too, because this is the tutorial where I'm gonna teach you how to phrase that lesson according to the meaning of the Sangeetham. That's Telugu. Okay. Earlier, when I did that tutorial, I was not knowing the meaning of that lesson. Now only I learned it. So now this is for you. Mohanam. Sa ri ga pa da sa da pa ga ri sa. You can sing like that. That's not necessary. Okay. So at that moment, in that tutorial, I told you like Ninnukori, something like that. But the real thing to phrase it, according to the meaning of the Sangeetham Telugu language, it is Ninnu Kori Unnanura. Three phrases are there. Ninnu Kori Unnanura. If you are connecting that, it will be Ninnukori Unnanura. Or altogether, if you are having that much breath capacity, but only capacity, it could be Ninnukori Unnanura. See the difference there. Ninnukori plus Unnanura change like Ninnukori Unnanura. Ya will be, you have to say ya there. That's the, okay. So in such a way, if you are saying, it will be Ninnukori Unnanura. I think that's really hard for me to sing in one breath. So either before Kori or after Kori. Ninnu Kori Unnanura or Ninnu Kori Unnanura. Ninnukori Unnanura. Next. Nikhila Loganaiga. Two phrases are there. Nikhila Loganaiga. So, Nikhila Loganayaka. Nikhila Loganayaka. Two phrases. Then, that's the next portion is the most important place, most common place where all people make mistakes. All the people make mistake. That's Nannupa Limpa Vaya. That's how even I also taught the same like that. See, this is actually I think only Hindus will understand what I'm saying. This is actually a prayer. Most of the compositions in Carnatic classical music is based on Hindu law. So this is also in praise of Lord. See, when we are seeking the blessings of any Lord, any religion or power, any Lord, we will be asking like, oh Lord, give me this now. We won't pray like, oh Lord, give me this after 2 decades. We don't pray like that. So we will be specifying the time, right? Like that, if you're focusing like that, then the lyrics should be Nannu Palimpa Samayamite. Nannu Palimpa Samayamite. This is the right time to, that's the sound. Actually, my Telugu student taught me the meaning, but right now I forgot. Anyway, something like this. This is the right time to bless me or something, so to save me, something like that. Anyway, so we should specify the time. Nannu Palimpa Samayamite. You should learn that. Nannu Palimpa Vaya is correct, but when being a prayer, we should specify the time. That's right. And it's not Nannu Pa Limpa Samayamite, not like that, okay? Kindly note. Nannu Pa Lim. No. Nannu palim pa samayamite. Let me sing that again. Nannu palim pa. Then samayamite. Nannu palimba samayamite. Next phrase. Namita krupa judara. Here, namita, one phrase. Malus say like kripa, kripa, kri, e, kripa. Telugu it is krupa, okay? Namita krupa judara. Namita krupa judara. And there, krupa plus judara is kripa judara. There also, if you're taking breath after krupa, it should be chudara, chudara. If you're connecting kripa with chudara, it should be kripa judara, okay. Ja, ja. Namita krupa, krupa chudara. Or namita krupa judara. I could be holding my breath like that. So those are the two ways you can say. According to your convenience, you can change. Okay, no problem. Meaning should be, meaning should be delivered. Otherwise, what you will sing will be useless. That's it. Then charanam, charanam. Another place. Sannutanga Shri Nivasa. I have heard many people sing Sannutanga Shri Nivasa. Really nice to listen, right? But meaningless. Then what is the purpose of singing? Sannutanga Shri Nivasa. Sannutanga Shri Nivasa. Srinivasa, that's the Lord. That's Lord. That's the name of the Lord. If you call me like kill Vinay, I won't listen, right? Similar thing. This is Srinivasa. Sannutanga Shri Nivasa. Okay? So when you're practicing, kindly note this thing and practice according to the meaning of the Sangeetham. Then only what you sing will be useful. Okay? Will be beneficial. So kindly practice with this also, and yeah, like always, if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as comments. I will be replying to that as soon as I get to know of that notifications. Okay, till then we meet with some other tutorial. Let me say bye.